Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in the previous tutorial, we learned how to bend the logo onto an image. So this is one thing. And other thing is that we can work with the normal image and make it kind of like blend well with the background. So to do that, again go to transform and let's work with perspective this time. So this is the perspective. We can just change the perspective and make it feel like the image is kind of laying over there on the floor. So maybe just like this. We will have to transform a bit more. So again go to transform and perspective. Just like this, and then press enter. So it doesn't look good in this particular scenario, but just you can adjust like this, and the floor, it looks like it's laying on the floor like a carpet or maybe a branding sort of. So you can do that as well. So there are a couple more options in the transform option, the transform toolbar. We have scale, which we already have worked with. We have rotate, so we can just rotate the image like this. So it's totally up to us what we feel like is correct and what works the best with our image. And there are other couple of options as well. You can just try it out. Ski, we have distort, we have already tried perspective and warp. We also have rotate 180 degrees. We have flip horizontal, flip vertical. Flip horizontal is like this. It's basically like a mirror image, you can say. If you don't want that, we can just press Control plus Z and get it back to normal. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.